Welcome to FT Collision's Tip of the Week. This week, we're going to be showing you how you can upload your estimate online using a phone or a tablet by going to ftcollision.com. That way you can get your estimate within 24 to 48 hours and never even have to leave your house. Check it out. Welcome to ftcollision.com. Using your phone or your tablet, on the upper bar, type in ftcollision.com. Once you arrive, you can scroll down. You'll see, due to COVID-19, we are asking everybody please make appointments and before you're coming in. Everybody wears masks, and we also have hand sanitizer. As you scroll down, it's the About Us section and Book Now. Here, you can book your appointment online to come in and have your vehicle looked at. Scrolling further, you'll notice Google Reviews. Below that is Yelp. Feel free to check us out, as we have our 5-star reviews and we are proud of them. Scrolling further, you'll hit Free Estimates. Once you arrive to Free Estimates, click on Year, type in the year of your vehicle. Below that is the make. Is it a Ford, Chevy, Honda? Type that in here. Below that, it's going to ask for your body style. If it's a coupe, sport, sedan, that's where you want to type this here. Directly below that, you'll notice the VIN number. Your VIN number can be located on your registration or on your windshield between your hood and the steering wheel of your vehicle. From the outside, you'll notice a small placard. There reads off the VIN number. A quick little tip, all of your O's in your VIN number are actually zeros. Underneath that, description of damage. Was it a rear back end hit? Can you see brackets that maybe we haven't noticed or aren't in the photos? Type that in as well. Below that, you'll notice 4 attached file sections. Here is where you want to attach the photos of your vehicle. Now keep in mind, on bumpers especially, or on your quarter panels, sometimes there are brackets behind that we can't always see in the photos. Good news for you, if it's going through your insurance company, we can actually attach a supplement and have the insurance company take care of that as well. So here, once you have the photos on your phone or on your tablet, you would click Choose File, click on the photo, and hit OK. Below that, you would type in your name, your phone number, and your email. That way, we can get back to you within 24 to 48 hours with your estimate. Directly below that is insurance or non-insurance. Click on which one it is, submit, and we will get back to you within 24 to 48 hours with your estimate. While you're on ftcollision.com, feel free to look us up on Facebook, Twitter, Google, Yelp, and even YouTube coming soon. And there you have it. You have successfully uploaded your estimate to ftcollision.com. Once again, thanks for watching. Feel free to give us a call at 708-418-5840. You can check us out online at ftcollision.com, Facebook, YouTube, Yelp, Google+, Twitter, and Instagram. So you have no excuse not to find us. Thanks again for watching, and remember, here at FT Collision, just because we met by accident doesn't mean we're not family. Take care and have a great day.